Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make targets out of Legos to shoot with your Nerf guns. As you can see, we've got several different sizes here. You can choose between two different kinds. We have the one buys thin target, and we've got the two buys, which are thicker. The two buys are a lot harder to destroy. So you're just going to hit the target and the entire thing will fall off. Whereas I like these personally. The one buys, you shoot them and they pretty much explode apart if you hit them just right. We'll start with the smallest target that I built. Would recommend this if you're trying to get very precise with your shooting. Otherwise, they're very difficult to hit. Here's a comparison of a Nerf rival round to it. As you can see, it's not much bigger. Okay, now that we've got the smallest one built, we will go to the next size. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger, a little easier to hit. You don't have to use just the red and white if you want to get creative or use other colors you have. You can make them basically any color you want. Here are a few examples of the thicker targets. Now we'll move on to a bigger target since we have that one complete. I also made a target that resembles this one. Just removed the white, and as you can see, to hold them together I had to put two clear pieces in there as well, but I think that one will get destroyed nicely. As you can see, this target is based off of the smaller target. Just added another white layer and then a red layer on top of that. And the slightly bigger one is based off of that one, adding another white and red layer as well. As you can tell, it's slightly bigger, not a lot. And here we have even a bigger target. If you want to get a close-up on how that's built. Okay guys, this wraps up my video on target making. As you can tell, the smaller targets definitely exploded better than the larger ones here. This one was definitely my favorite one to shoot as it exploded quite nicely. But if you're not looking to pick up and rebuild your targets every time, the thicker options are definitely a good option for that. Please like and subscribe to my page for more to come. Thanks.